channel!
This is TEAM AMORCHAN. So today we are going to make
chocolate truffles.
Yes, truffle, and it's very easy.
And
You just need only two ingredients, and you can have a yummy chocolate truffles.
so before we start, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe.
And
And
also,
click the notification bell.
yeah,
Here are the two ingredients.
condensed milk
Condensed milk
and
and pure
chocolate powder.
powder.
Yes. So we need pure chocolate powder, not the sweet one, because the condensed milk is already sweet. So it's gonna be very sweet if you are using the
sweet one.
like Milo powder. It will be very sweet if you are going to use Milo. So we advise you to use pure chocolate powder anytime. So
Yeah.
we are going to put here around 200 ml of
Condensed milk.
condensed milk.
Ooh.
So it's around 200 ml that we are using, but you can use as many you want, depends on the quantity that you need.
So cool. Ooh.
Then first we are going to microwave this first for 30 seconds. So now guys, after we make it warm for 30 seconds in microwave, now it's time to
Add the pure
put the chocolate powder. So we are going to put the chocolate powder here.
Ooh, satisfying.
And mix it well until it's thick. So let's mix. You can use also whisk if you want, so to make it faster and easier to mix. So our whisk is a bit big, but it's okay. So guys, we need to add more chocolate. So the quantity of the chocolate depends on the sweetness you want to have. Okay guys, so here is the stickiness that we need. So now let's do the next step.
The next step is we're going to transfer the chocolate in the container.
Yes, so any kind of container will do. But first, we are going to we need to put a plastic wrap in the container, so it will be easy for us to reshape the chocolate later from the container. So we are going to put a plastic wrap here, and then we are going to pour the chocolate inside. So the plastic will help us to reshape the chocolate. So what we need to do is now to cut the plastic and wrap the chocolate now, so we can press it and take the shape that we want. So here guys, we rub it well, and it took the shape of the container. And now we will put this in the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours, and then we are going to cover it, and we will be back after 2 hours.
So after 2 hours, guys, this is our chocolate. Yum yum.
Yeah, after 2 hours from the ref, now we are going to cut it now, and so we are going to
Spread it
spread chocolate here.
in a plate. Look at
Here's the
that.
chocolate, and we wanna cut it in a small square.
So yummy.
And we put it on the chocolate powder. You mix it, Samantha. You coat it with the chocolate powder.
The next last one.
So guys, here is our chocolate truffle. And this is the container that we put it in a container because we are going to put it in the freezer, and we can eat it anytime we want. Anytime we are craving for chocolate, and we just get a truffle there. So yummy, guys, and the sweetness is, or it's exactly the way how we want it. It's not too sweet and not too bitter from the chocolate. So it's really the way how we want it. So enjoy, guys. I hope you will like this chocolate truffle made with how many ingredients only you need?
2.
So just 2 ingredients to make this beautiful chocolate truffle.
Yummy.
So guys, we hope you
You enjoy our video. Don't forget to like,
and
subscribe, and also click the notification bell.
Yes, and hope to see you again next time.